everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm down here, Town Center celebration, heading over to the farmers market, a very small farmers market this Sunday. Come on in, check it out. First off, wanted to show you that usually the farmers market actually can come all the way down, depending. Now listen, there's no obligation for the vendors, you know, once you're approved through the town of celebration that you can set up here, you know, there's no obligation that you have to come. And today is actually Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to everybody who celebrates Easter. And if you don't, that's okay. Welcome to Medling World. Our channel is for everybody. Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. I'm gonna take a little walk around and just kind of show you a little bit of Town Center and the farmers market, which is here every single Sunday. The hours vary. I think for the summer, it's either 10 to 2 or 11 to 2. It kind of fluctuates, so you got to check on that. So sometimes that beginning time fluctuates, but it's a few hours each Sunday afternoon. And if you go on the celebration website, you can find it on Google. Just Google, you know, Celebration Florida. It'll pop up, and it gives you a whole schedule of all the events going here, including the farmers market. There's a few Sundays throughout the year they don't have it. Let's go have a look and see what's going on. It's actually a very small one today, so guys, you'll find all kinds of different things here. We got some books, local author here. You got some barbecue, different sauces, and some cosmetics, homemade organic skincare and makeup. And we're actually here, we have Jake, we have Roberta, and of course we have May visiting from Brazil, Roberta's mom. Taking a little break from our epic vlogs, but we do have several more epic vlogs. And speaking of epic vlogs, welcome to all the new subscribers on Medling World. Picked up a lot of subs the past couple weeks with a lot of content from Epic, so very thankful for everybody who has subscribed. And also want to remind everybody, we do have a Medling World cruise planned. It's a Medling World's family cruise. We're going to be cruising out of the Port of Miami September 1 through 5th, 4 nights upon Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Sea. And we're just inviting anybody who would like to cruise with us. We've had some people along the way with our cruise vlogs that have asked, hey, we'd love to cruise. When are you guys going? Can you plan something? So we figured we'd throw it out there. I know there's at least a couple different parties that are going to be joining us. So we have a few people that have booked it, so we'd like to see if we could get some more. But we will be cruising Medling World style, so all welcome to that. And we do have a Facebook page just for that cruise. If you're interested in cruising, we're trying to save it. That page, if you want to sign up, you can just check on Facebook, Medling World's Friend Cruise. And it is a page for the people who want to cruise with us. So go ahead and check that out. We're just kind of hanging out on Easter. Got some breads. And I will say May from Brazil loves her bread. They're here quite a bit. And sometimes they do have some discounts. They actually do. They have some 15% off discounts right now. He's usually here most of the time. The honey is here a lot. Actually, I don't think I bought from this one. Actually, he's got a lot of stuff. He's got honey, and he's also got like all kinds of this stuff over here. That garlic looks good. Pickled garlic, pickled jalapenos. So a little bit of everything. And of course some of the, it's just, look at that. Very cool. All kinds of different things there, man. Very neat. Homegrown acres. Eggs. Very interesting. I like that. There's usually a big produce truck, not here today. Again, lots of the regulars, or some of the regulars not here today because it is Easter. But I did want to get down because I know there's a lot of people that enjoy checking out Celebration and have found Medling World also through Celebration. Let's have a look this way, just to kind of give you an idea. It usually extends down this way and then around that corner, and sometimes all the way around the corner to the road over there. So this is probably the smallest I've seen in a long time. Different dips. Got some hand-carved toys here. Extra virgin olive oils. Got some jewelry, some clothing. Look at all this cool stuff. We show it all on Medling World. And I think what you'll find about our channel that's a little bit unique is we're not these big, huge vloggers. Of course, someday we'd love to be. We're at almost 11,000 subscribers, so we're getting close to that. But we give you an adventure that's reality, almost like if you were hanging out with us, if you were just kind of walking through here and looking. That's the way we enjoy vlogging, and then we give you information on top of that, and we just have a good time. And we keep it real on the channel. If we're maybe at a park or eating and something's not going right, we let you know about it, and we're very honest, of course, in our own opinion. So take a chance and check our channel out if you haven't yet. Little scrunchies. I bet you May. Oh, I thought she'd be over here maybe getting a natural juice. I don't even know where they went. She likes this kind of stuff. They got slime. Cookie Jar Bakery. Oh, they got like some garlic bread. Oatmeal raisin cookies, sugar-free. Keto. Ooh, very cool. Chicken salad, lunch boxes. Oh, okay, so you can make a little sandwich. And then, of course, all the businesses here are also open. Well, it is Easter. I can't say they're technically open today on a holiday, but I would imagine Easter is a big time for restaurants here at Celebration. Lots of people like to go out to eat on Easter. These guys are always here. Always here. Different dips. They got the breads. Working our way up. This is the one, I believe. Yes, this is the one I usually get my honey from. So I'll shout this guy out, the Sweet Bee Company. I usually get the... It's like an allergy one I usually get. How you doing, brother?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, man. So I really enjoy these honeys. This is my go-to for the honey at the farmer's market. And we do enjoy it. We take it, especially the local one with the allergy. Jake suffers from a lot of allergies down here, and it does help him quite a bit. Continuing on, more jewelry. And just hanging out. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me on an Easter afternoon. We're gonna actually have dinner when we get back. The turkey just finished. I got it all wrapped up, kind of sitting out with some foil over it. I did it in a... we had a turkey left over in the freezer from Thanksgiving, so why not? We'll try some turkey here on Easter Sunday, so I'll let you know how it was in a future vlog. I don't know, I just put a bunch of stuff on it, threw it in a bag. I put like onions and paprika and butter and salt and pepper. It smells really good, so it's ready to go as soon as we get home. I need to see where Roberta and Jake went, because I wanted to see if they bought anything. I'd walk back the sidewalk kind of behind the tents here just to show you some of the businesses if you're not familiar. This is the bakery, and this is soft as a grape. You can go in here and get all kinds of Celebration merch. As you can see, they have it all. They have shirts and sweatpants and hats, all kinds of stuff in here. I'll just poke my camera in for a moment so you can see. It's a nice little store, and it's also nice and cool inside. I like the visor. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Welcome to the store.
It's a nice store.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
Yes, yes. I like this one. Actually, I've seen some people around town wearing this one. And I had to ask what it is. And it is, as far as I know, this is what I was told, nautical flags. So that's what I was told. Because there's a guy I know from, I also work at Publix, and he comes in and he wears that. And he's got a boat. And I asked him, I said, oh, it's a cool shirt. And he said, they're nautical flags. So he's actually from Long Island. So he's like a snowbird. He's going to be going back up and going out on his boat. They also have, this is called the Wine Emporium. You got your outdoor seating, indoor seating. They usually have some entertainment here sometimes. This is Upper Crust Pizza. It's kind of a New York style pizza. And they are closed today for Easter. I've had the pizza. Listen. Okay, I'm from Connecticut. If you know anything about pizza, I'm not here to say that the pizza's not good, because for Florida it's not bad, but I would say if you were in Connecticut, it'd be a little bit different. But no, it's a nice business. He sells a lot of pizzas, but I do just recommend, the favorite pizza I've had out of here, guys, is just a regular cheese. The crust holds up a little better with a regular cheese. I notice if you start putting a lot of toppings on, you get a different taste to the crust. So I'm gonna just recommend, you know, a cheese or maybe a pepperoni, something. Well, pepperoni does hold that grease, but go with the cheese and I think you'll be okay. This is the diner here. Downtown Diner. It's a cool place. We've eaten there before. I gotta find Roberta, May, and Jake. I have no idea where they are. So I did find them. Actually, Jake, what did you get?
Got some jerky.
You got some jerky. Which kind did you get today, Jake? Let's show it off. Everybody wants to know what you got. All right, let's see.
4 for $10. I got kangaroo.
Oh, nice.
Elk. Alligator.
Wow.
And beef and buffalo.
Oh, that's a good choices. And actually, the jerky tent, it's right by where the honey was. I might have walked by it and not shown it, but yeah, it's right by where the honey was, the one I said I like. And then I was asking May if she wanted to get a coconut. You know, in Brazil they love to have the coconuts, but she said they're too small here, too little. Let's see what May's doing here. Oh no, here we go.
Does I have?
May, yo, shopping?
We're back to shopping.
Yeah.
Purple.
So when I talk to May, I just say the word simple and slow, and instead of getting into a big sentence, just shopping, you know, so those are the words she can understand easier. Let's see, all different stuff here, guys. Meet the Artist Artistic. Oh, very nice. So supporting artistic artists here, which we can relate to that in our family for sure. If you're new to the channel and you're not sure, Jake is on a spectrum. He's come a long way. He's 13. He does lots of therapies. He's kind of weaned out of those therapies, but still through school. He has a lot of help through school, and he's doing excellent from when he was diagnosed at, I want to say he was 5 or 6. He was like in first grade-ish. When some of those signs of autism started when he was in preschool, and then behaviors through school, and then it took several years until he got until about 5th, 6th grade, when he started to kind of be able to control a lot of those emotions and behaviors. So, and I know he doesn't mind because he's talked about it on the channel. And you know, anything we can do to support autism is important to us and our family. And I know a lot of you guys care about Jake, and I think you can see, if you've been with the channel from the beginning, the progress Jake's made. If you see him wear the headphones, there's really, I want to say 90% of the time there's no music in them. It's just to kind of, the noise canceling. It's to just kind of cut down on some of the outside sounds, and they actually put a little pressure on his ears, and that kind of keeps him cool. But he's come a long way, and you'll see some of that now where he doesn't even really wear those headphones much at all. So he's becoming a very bright young man and able to handle some of those things that he used to struggle with a lot better. Now, there's no cure for autism. It's not perfect all the time, but we know what we need to do, and we kind of see some of the signs of maybe he needs a little break. And I think it helps with this channel, and it helps him talking about it. He's talked about it a few times, and being in these different environments and living life and just kind of doing the things that we're so fortunate to do. So I guess it's Easter. It's okay to talk a little bit about some personal things and share that, because that's also part of our channel. So thank you guys for listening to that. So Roberta, what'd you get?
Just earrings so I can use at Stardust Racers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you got those over there at the end. I think it's called the Autistic Artist, right? Is the name?
It's the girl, the one that does it, all the like earrings, and you know, she does bracelets. She does a lot of things.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be using that one in Stardust Racers.
But that just goes to show you, just because you know, a lot of people and that they call a spectrum, right?
Yes.
Because everybody that is on that spectrum, they usually excel in something.
Yeah.
And she excels in being an artist.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. And
So
it's
that's
beautiful,
very
so,
nice.
yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So I think we kind of covered everything, Roberta.
Yeah.
But Roberta, what we really need to do is get some people on the Medling World's friend cruise.
Yeah.
Hoping that, you know, hey, listen, we're going to cruise whether one person comes or nobody comes. But it'd be nice to have several people to enjoy with us. I already gave you the information about it.
Yeah.
One last look out here at the lake. And guys, always be careful. You know, I always like to say this because I live here. You got to be careful. Whenever you see, you know, a lake, not even this big, it could be 1/10 of the size. There are alligators everywhere in Florida. Anywhere you see any kind of water, smallest lake you could imagine, there are alligators. So be careful, especially when you're up on the edge, because believe me, it can happen. The worst thing that you could ever imagine can happen. Now, the odds are it wouldn't, but it can. So always be cautious of alligators, and please do not feed alligators. I think that's a wrap here from Town Center Celebration Farmers Market. Roberta, one of the smallest farmers markets we've ever seen on a beautiful April Sunday, Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday. Yes.
So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. I did ramble a lot.
Yeah.
I did my Easter ramble today.
Yeah.
So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, and last but not least, see ya!